Good day, Sir Rogan. My name is Fahad Roder, and I will present you the topic of series in the sigma notation. So now let's start. The given of submission n squared plus 2, then 2n minus 1, then yung n natin is equals to 0, then yung taas natin is 20. The first thing that we do is isi-separate natin sila o paghihiwalay natin sila. So, ito na siya nung na-separate natin. Submission n squared plus 4, submission n minus submission 2. Then, yung n natin equals 0, then yung 20 natin nasa taas. Then, ang next natin gagawin is isa-substitute natin sila isa-isa. The formula of submission n squared equals n, then n plus 1, open and close parenthesis, then 2n plus 1 over 6, then yung n natin is equals to 0, tapos yung sa taas natin is 20. Then magiging ganito na siya. So let's calculate this. So the total of this is 2,870. Then the next is yung 4 submission n equals to 4n, then n plus 1 over 2. Ito naman yung isa-substitute natin. Then magiging ganito na siya. The 4 submission of n equals 4. Then yung n natin is 20. Tapos yung isang n din natin is magiging 20 siya. So plus 1 then over 2. The total of 840. And the last is submission 2 equals 2 times 21 in the total of 42. Then the last thing we need to do is yung ipa-plus, i-add natin siya and then yung minus like ganito. 2,870 plus 840 then minus 42, the total of 3,668. Let's move on to number 8. The given of submission n minus 1. Then yung taas natin is 5. Then n equals 0. The first thing we need to do is yung katulad lamang na sa number 7 is isi-separate muna natin sila o paghihiwalayin muna natin sila. So ito na sila nung na-separate natin. Submission of n minus submission 1. Then yung n natin equals 0, then yung 5 natin nasa taas. Since ang n natin is 0, then yung nasa taas natin is 5. So mag-uumpisa tayo sa 0 tapos i-stop tayo sa 5. First, 0 equals 1, then 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 1 times 2 equals 2. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 6 times 4 equals 24. Then 24 times 5 is equals to 120. Then ang next natin gagawin is addition. I-add natin yung mga total natin kanina. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24 plus 120 is equals to 154. Kaya may number 6 doon kanina sa baba is ima-minus natin siya sa 154. So the total of 148. And that's all. Thank you.